Hi guys, this is Sundance with Loving Life TV, and today I just want to show you what a Costa Rican rainfall is looking like. This is when we have some rain here, and as it's getting so massive, I just want to show you. Just come with me, I gotta show you something, guys. It's my house, by the way. Ja, schau mal da unten. There you go. There was a Costa Rican rainfall TV show. Just showing you, really, rain is different here. It's so strong, it's so intense, nothing really works anymore. Cars have to stop on the streets. You see, you know, the place I've just shown you, this is normally, you know, the entrance area of our farm here. Yeah, some impressions. In the end, it's also just rain. We sit it out here in the house, it's all good. But you have been part of it right now. So this was a little inspirational, entertaining, visually entertaining TV show for today. I hope you see you back soon, guys. This was your Sundance. Bye bye.